Hi there. In case you get into your vacation rental home and it has an Ecobee thermostat that looks like this, I'll give you a quick tutorial on how to navigate between the heat and AC settings and how to adjust the temperature. This is a touch screen, so you just tap on it and it's going to bring up certain prompts for you. Right now it is in the AC setting. You can tell that by the icon at top. That is the snowflake. That means it's on the AC setting, and it's currently 75 degrees in the house and holding. Holding means it's gonna stay at that temperature. So if you wanna change the temperature, just tap on the big number and it brings this up, and you can go up or you can go down. And then just tap anywhere on the screen to go to the next screen, and you can adjust it for a short amount of time or until you want to change it. So I'm gonna go back here, tap it again, and say until I change it. And so then it will hold at 74 degrees. Let's say you wanna switch it into the heat mode, just tap the icon at the top, switch to heat, and now it says 74 degrees and holding. So it's higher than 74. Once it gets below 74 degrees, the heat will actually kick in. Let's say I want to increase that. I want it to be 77 degrees in the house. Tap on that again, and I'll say until I change it. So it's quite warm out today. Let's go back to the AC setting, cool, and I can adjust it here. Let's adjust it down to 74 degrees. For the next 2 hours. So now it's gonna say until 4:52 p.m. it's gonna adjust it to 74 degrees, and then it will default back to what it was before. Hopefully this video helps you get all situated with the thermostat in your vacation rental. Thanks so much.